The Google Pixel 8 Pro has been exposed once again in a new unboxing of image leaks. This image is already showing the all angle in a live image, and you also showing all the accessories on the packaging for the 2023 flagship smartphone from the Google. Unfortunately, the images are not a very high quality, so the image quality are not a very clear, but we can expect more image and also unboxing video before official launch. And on the other hand, the Google Pixel 8 box look already revealed by PBK, and today they are sharing the unboxing video on the Google Pixel 8. The box content has the Google Pixel 6 and 7 series. Let's now move on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Last week Google Pixel 8 Pro hands-on image leak also, and this new all images is pre-boxing shot and a last quality check and clean everything before sales. Show the phone along with the expected USB Type-C cable and one quick switch adapter and SIM tray and some user menu guide. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching, and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.